Hi everyone, in this video we'll create controller for command features. Right, so open app, controller, and let's create new file. Here we have commands, controller, RIB, and let's type in class, commands, controller, application, controller, and before action, authenticate user, and we have index, command. We get all command for a post, includes user, and tab for create, command dot new command parents, if command is successfully saved, we get a post and will respond to GS, else, flash, alert, something went wrong, and therefore destroy command dot file parents ID post command post. So if command will destroy successfully, we respond to GS, else, flash, alert, something went wrong, and here we have private dev command parents require command permit user ID, post ID, content. Save it. Alright, for post controller, we have to update in here in show and command dot new. Save it. Alright, so that's it for this video. See you guys next time.